Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to view your network data usage in Windows 10. So in this brief tutorial I'll be showing you how to see how much application data has been used over your network over the past 30 days. So this tutorial is very straightforward and we're going to just jump right into it. So we're going to start by heading over to our Start menu. We're going to search Settings. Should be listed right above a Trusted Windows Store app. So you want to left click on that. And now underneath Settings, what you want to do is head over to Network and Internet. So the front page that comes up will show you your data usage over the past 30 days. So it's very straightforward to see this. If you wanted to see more information, you can left click on Usage Details. And this will show you how much network data has been used by any one given app over the past 30 days. So very nice feature to have here. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.